Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and I go by that here on YouTube and on Instagram. And today I'm coming to you with my March plans. So for my first plan, I am collaborating with Heather from Textile Tailored Thoughts, and we are scheduled for our collaboration next Sunday actually, which is March 14th, and we are going to be making McCall 7803 here. And so this pattern has 4 different views, A, B, C, and D, and we are going to make whichever view that we want to make. But the kicker is that I provided 1.5 yards for myself and for her as a mystery fabric, and we are going to be incorporating that fabric inside of our pattern. So it's going to be really interesting to see what we come up with, and so stay tuned for later this week. I believe it will be coming out on Thursday, and then I'll have all the details of that collaboration in that, but I will show you what the mystery fabric looks like. So this here is the mystery fabric, and it is sheer. So yes, what we come up with, we've got to be very creative, and I think it's going to be fun. And that's the fun thing about these challenges and collaborations. You get to spice it up and make it fun however you'd like it to be. So again, McCall 7803 for March 14th. That's going to be the reveal date, and like I said, on this coming Thursday there will be a video out with more details on that. My next plan is going to be Simplicity 9194, and this is going to be a button-down shirt. So it's going to be view B, which is right here, and I am going to make that for my soon to be 3-year-old son. My son will be 3 on Monday, so tomorrow, and I am going to make him a button-down shirt for his 3-year-old pictures, and I will show you the fabric that I am going to use to make the shirt. So when I was deciding on the style of the fabric that I wanted to use for my son, I also thought about my husband because his birthday is in April, and I wanted to make him a shirt for his birthday as well. So I purchased enough fabric to make my 2 babies and my husband something out of the same fabric, and this is what I purchased. This is Ankara fabric, and I purchased this from House of Mami Wata, and there's 6 yards of fabric in this bundle right here. So I may even be able to squeeze something out of this for me. So I am going to make my son again a button-down shirt for his 3-year-old pictures using Simplicity 9194 view B. And I'll be doing that within this month sometime. I'm not sure exactly which day, but you'll definitely be getting the deets on that when it is completed. And with that being said, I am also planning to make my husband a shirt. Now I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to make it at the end of March or if I'm going to have to just push it over into the beginning of April, but I will show you that information right now. When I was looking into shirt patterns for my husband, I had several different patterns here. I had Simplicity 8427, which is a Mimi G pattern, and I also had Simplicity 8753, and then I had McCall's 6972. My husband did not like McCall's 6972 because of how open it is at the top, and I told him I could put another button there, but he was not pleased with that. And then there was a lot of detail, like there was a yoke and just a lot of details on these 2 patterns that I really didn't want to deal with. So I did some research, and I found that a lot of people really loved McCall 6044. There's no yoke on this, and it's fairly simple. They said it's a very, very good beginner friendly button down type shirt to start off with if you're not one that has made a lot of button down shirts. And as you know, that I just made my first successful button down shirt for my soon to be 3-year-old when we did the Mommy and Me photos. So I think that this is going to be my best bet so that I'm not so stressed out and I can get it done with ease. So this is in the plan. Like I said, either I'll make this at the end of March or I'll do this in the beginning of April. Again, this is McCall 6044. And then for my last plan, I plan to make another apron out of this pattern here, L9444, and it's so simple McCall's pattern. I am making this as a gift, so just in case the recipient is looking at this video, which I think they will be, I'm not going to show that fabric, but I will definitely show the outcome of that apron and how it looks when I finish making it. So this would be a fairly simple sew, and that pretty much completes my plans that are set in stone. There are some other things that I'm contemplating on that I may incorporate, but as far as my set in stone realistic plans, this is what I have. And tell me what you think in the comments about the fabric that I picked out for my husband and my 2 babies. And if you've sewn McCall 6044, which is the men's button down shirt, before, what was your experience with that? I did find a lot of information on YouTube where people sewed that pattern up and they seem to enjoy it, and I'm hoping that's the same for me. Thank you so much again for watching. Stay tuned for Thursday when I reveal all the information about what Heather and I from Textile Tailored Thoughts are going to be collaborating on, and also stay tuned for next Sunday when we actually have our reveal. Okay, so that is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Click the like button if you enjoyed this, and hit the great notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.